Dear students, now we are going to do exercise 12.2 of Unit 2, filling the blanks. Number 1. In pictograph, we make use of dash to represent the data. What we can use to represent the data in pictograph? We can use of pictures or symbols. So, answer is pictures, or you can say symbols to represent the data. Next is, when the observation means the numbers or the data are very large, we make use of dash to represent the data. As I told you, when the observation or data are very large, then we can use the tally marks to represent the data. Next is, a dash is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. A data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information. Next is, in a pictograph, a symbol flower represents 2 flowers, then these flowers represent 10 flowers. That means, I have told you about the key. That means a flower, here in the pictograph, a symbol flower, any symbol can be there, a flower, smiley, trees, whatever can be there, represent 2. That means 1 flower equal to 2 flowers. Then how many flowers are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. So 5 flowers equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. So that represent 10 flowers. Next is a dash. Next is a dash represent data with the help of pictures or symbols. What can represent data with the help of pictures or symbol? A pictograph represent data with the help of pictures or symbols. Now students, let's do the question number 2. I am going to read the statement first, then I will tell you how you will do it. Given is a pictograph that shows different flavored milk sold by a shopkeeper on Saturday. That means, first of all, try to understand the statement given over here. It means that statement is, a shopkeeper is there, he has sold different type of milk bottle, different type of flavored milk bottles on Saturday. Only Saturday is mentioned over there. So on Saturday, he had sold so many types of different flavored bottles. So you will, the flavors are given here, you will have to calculate the how many bottles he sold on a particular day. And the questions are given below, you have to read the questions and give the following answers. So table is, chocolate flavor milk bottles are there, vanilla flavor milk bottles are there, then strawberry flavor, then rose flavor and the coffee flavor. Bottles are given. Here you can see the key word. The key is there. Key is 1 bottle represents 10 bottle. That means if the 1 bottle is given there, that means this 1 bottle is equal to 10 bottles. We will count 1 bottle as a 10 bottle. So here in the chocolate flavor, count the bottles. How many bottles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles are there. So I have told you, as I have told you, 1 bottle equal to 10 bottle. So multiply 10 into 6, that means 60 bottles are there. 60 bottles he has sold of chocolate flavor. Now next is vanilla flavor. 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles are there. 1 bottle equal to 10 bottles. So 4 into 10, 40 bottles for vanilla flavor. Then is strawberry. 3 bottles are there. 3 into 10, 30 bottles. Then rose flavor, 4 bottles. 4 into 10, 40 bottles. Now here coffee flavor. Count the bottles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bottles are there. So 9 into 10 equal to 90 bottles he has sold of coffee flavor. So this we can calculate the number of bottles. Now read the question given below and answer them. Number 1 question is, which flavor of milk was liked the most by the customer? Most means the maximum customer. Which customers? Which flavor of milk was liked by the maximum customer? Look at the table again. Count or you can see the number of total bottles sold. So here 60, 40, 30, 40 and 90. The maximum number is given here is 90. So 90 is the number for coffee flavor. So coffee flavor sold maximum times, and it was liked by the most of the customers. So answer is coffee flavor. Number 2, how many milk bottles were sold of each flavor? Here you have to mention the number of bottles of each flavor as we have done earlier in the table, same way. Next question is, which flavor was liked by the least? Least means minimum. Which flavor was liked by the minimum or least? Look at the table again. 30. Minimum number here is given 30. So strawberry flavor is liked the least. Next, number 4, how many chocolate milk bottles were sold? Now look at the table again. Chocolate milk flavor bottle is equal to 60. 60 bottles has been sold. So answer is 60 bottles. Next is, which two flavors are liked by the equal number of time? Look at the table again. Vanilla flavor sold for 40 and the same rose flavor sold for 40. So these two are, number of these two bottles are same. So answer is vanilla and rose flavor. Last question is, how many bottles were sold in all? You have to total all the bottles and give the number. It is 260 bottles. The number of total bottles sold is 260 bottles. So that's all about the question number 2.